Hello guys, how you all? Today we gonna look the trade breakdown which I took and got a result. My plan were right, but I didn't end up with taking a profits. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Well, I went into the market at the time of 9:30, I guess. It's probably 9:30. Before 9:30, it says 6 a.m. Okay, in a 15 minutes, I got this retracement APD sequence. From here to here, this low to this high, we got a premium with the SMT, like which turtle soup the asset closes as a bullish, and in YM the asset which didn't even took the lows closed as a bearish. It's a fucking strength switch, right? It's a strength switch, and we want to trade those strength switch as well. Like once we saw here, this is the right move to trade at a 45 close. We just want to ensure to enter right there. If I'm not wrong, it's a pretty simple. Okay, it's fucking pretty simple. This is a 2 hour. If I would have been into the market at this time, I literally took this trade. Seriously, I'm saying. Okay, okay, we'll leave that. After 9:30, see, I'll let you explain daily context as well, because we got a SMTs at lows, like previous days lows with today's lows SMT in YM with YM. See here, we didn't even took the right here. I'll let you explain how I ended up with taking lows. See here again. We got SMT at close. Even though these are all failure swings, right? I got these SMT. Okay. I got this 930 to 945 SMT, which is basically again a strength which like the asset which gives us a turtle soup, and now we got a failure swing in 15 minutes as well. It's a decent strength which SMT, I guess. See here. Yeah, 945. Sorry. I mean it's 9:30 to 45, right? 9:30 to 45. The asset which didn't even took those lows in a previous now took those lows, and the vice versa in here. I just entered in a 3 minute. Like once this candle went there, I once it came into here for retracement, I entered, and my stops were right. These lows of this SMT, once the 10 a.m. gets open, even I waited. I just waited for to enter again to trade there. See here, again we got SMT with these lows, like 9:30 to 10:15, 9:30 to 10:15. Okay, but still, literally, I don't know what the fuck is happened right there. It's it's not just because of these relevant highs as here. Yeah, it's relevant high. This is relevant high. Okay, once we like maybe this is the reason if I'm not wrong. See here, this is a relevant high, right? The swing points, and after the swing points, we our relevant high is like this. The space, see the spaced out. Once we took those relevant highs, I guess some sort of a retracement, but I didn't even guess that 10 a.m. will come all the way down right here and will move up there. After all those things were happened, again we got SMT with these lows, like 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. souped in a Nasdaq. and 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. doesn't even suit in a YM. We got this, like, see, again, this is a two stage, right? The SMT with the bearish close PSP, SMT, see here, SMT with the bullish close PSP. If I'm not wrong, this 4 hour candle wick doesn't even come, don't even come through here. It should be respected fucking right at these lows, like these PDRs, somewhat these PDRs, but we didn't even had any, like, these are the gaps only should hold if I'm not wrong with my bias, but it doesn't even respect that my bias as well there, and it done some sort of a shade it out, and at last my draw were right there. Okay, it met those highs were my draw. At last, it all went up to my draws, but still I don't know why the fuck it happened. Let's get into that. Okay, we got assembly at close. Okay, now we are going to break down that fuck assembly at close. It's a one stage. Let's, and we want to see a two stage right there. Any sort of 11:30 1 a.m. to, sorry guys, I don't know what the fuck is happened right there, but still, it's a last day. We couldn't even take up with the profit, but it's a fucking last day. Okay, that's the thing I wanted to say you all. Yeah, it's pretty simple as that, and basically our see, some teams were formed at even ICRs, and it's a relevant low right, and top of that I had a small wick from the Asian session, and even more top of that, it's a V-shaped recovery, expansion retracement, sort of expansion retracement, expansion met with an expansion. Okay, it's a kind of a reversal, it's a reversal consolidation into a again expansion, expansion consolidation expansion. See what does the fucking price telling us? I had expanded already more, even a bitter, like previous sessions in Asian and London, so why the fuck am I going to continue those expansion as well as in a New York AM? I should be get more consolidated, and I'll participate the expansion and continue my expansion in a PM session. It's the thing that price letting us know. That's pretty simple as that. I'll meet you in next video. I don't have any mindset to journal these and post this as a video, but still I want to be a consistent. So I'm making this shit out. Yeah, until I'll meet you next video. This is a big sign off from my side. Bye.